Hello everyone, we are welcome back to Sharpest Online Tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve for the value of x in this radical equation. And the given equation is what root of x plus 2 plus root of x minus 2 divided by root of x plus 2 minus root of x minus 2. So in this case, how are we going to do? Are you going to cancel? No, we cannot cancel because if you look at the numerator is separated by positive and the denominator is separated by negative. How I wish is multiplication, then we can cancel. So the best thing we're going to do is to first cross multiply. So this is going to be what? This 4 can also be written as 4 divided by 1. Then that 1 multiplied by the whole of this is the same as root x plus 2, then plus root x minus 2, which is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by the whole of this is going to be 4 into root of x plus 2, then minus root of x minus 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to distribute this 4 into the bracket. We're going to have root of x plus 2 plus root of x minus 2, which is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by root x plus 2 is going to give us 4 root of x plus 2, then minus 4 multiplied by this the same as 4 into what x root of x minus 2. The next thing we're going to do is to combine the like term. Root of x plus 2, root of x plus 2, we're going to bring them together. Then root of x minus 2, we take it to the right hand side. So we're going to have root of x plus 2. Then when this positive 4 root of x plus 2 cross the equality sign, it's going to change to a negative root of 4, root of negative 4 root of x plus 2, which is going to be equal to, we have negative 4 root of x minus 2 here, and where this positive root of x minus 2 cross is going to change to negative root of x minus 2. So the next thing we're going to do, if you look at the radical, they are the same, so we can subtract negative 4, we can subtract 4 of this from one of this. This is going to be first negative 3 root of x plus 2 is the same as 1 of this minus 4 of this. It's going to be 1 negative 3 of root of x plus 2, which is going to be equal to negative 4 negative 1 of this is going to be 1 negative 5 of x root of x minus 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to remove the square root by square both sides of the equation. So we squared the left hand side, also we square the right hand side. So in this case, what I want you to notice, when we have a multiplied by m raised to the power of 2, this is the same as what? A square m square. Because since it is multiplication, the square is going to affect both a and m. But this will not work that way if the operation here is either negative or positive. So in this case, this square is going to affect negative 3. Negative 3 square meaning negative 3 multiplied by negative 3, we are going to get positive 9. Then multiply by what? Square is going to cancel the square root. Then we are left with what? X plus 2, which is going to be equal to, we do the same thing. Negative 5 square is going to give us positive 25. Then square is going to cancel the square root. We are left with what? X minus 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to open the bracket. 9 multiplied by x is going to give us 9x. 9 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 18, which is going to be equal to 25 multiplied by x is 25x. Then 25 multiplied by negative 2 is going to give us negative 50. So the next thing is to combine the like term. We have 9x here. When we take this 25x to the left hand side, it will become negative 25x, which is equal to negative 50. Then we take this 18 to the other side, it becomes negative 18 because this is positive. Now 9x minus 25x is going to give us 16x, negative 16x, which is equal to negative 50, negative 18 is going to give us negative 68. Now the next thing is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? Negative 16, then negative 16. So that this negative 16 is going to cancel this negative 16. We are left with what? X, which is equal to, negative will also cancel negative. 68 divided by 16. 4 can go into 68 17 times, then 4 can go into 16 4 times. So 17 divided by 4 is the same as 4 whole number 1 over 4. And here's the value of x that satisfies this radical equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this.